Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Kimbo token. Name of the token is Kimbo, ticker symbol is also Kimbo. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 22nd, which is tomorrow, on a big crypto central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token just got a brand new central exchange listing. It was just announced today that this token will be available tomorrow, exactly December 22nd at 3 o'clock UTC time. This token will be available on Lbank. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Lbank account, all you would have to do is download Lbank from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search KIMBO, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. So this is a coin named in honor of Avax's head of decentralized finance at Luigi Demio. So this is Luigi Demio's dog is named Kimbo, and that's what this is named after. Kimbo is COQ's best friend. So COQ is another crypto, and you could search that ticker symbol COQ and find that token as well. We're going to do that in 1 second here. So that is, let's see here. So if you want to find their Twitter, it is at COQINUAVAX. So that is a, basically it's probably the same similar team members that have that one, that Twitter, that token as this one here. So you can look up that one. And it says, yeah, it's a coin named after this guy's dog, because this token is on the Avalanche blockchain. You can find their webpage at kimboavax.com. They have a snow trace, which is like the block explorer for Avalanche tokens, so we can check that out here. So this is a brand new token. If you look at their snow trace, it says 0 holders so far, 18 decimal places on this token. And there is a total supply of 69,420,000,000 Kimbo tokens. And yeah, there's a contract address on the snow trace, 18 decimals. And when they start getting holders on there, that's where they'll pop up here. So just like other Doge type tokens are named after, you know, dogs, I'm pretty sure they have a token named after what's his name? CZ's animals. Obviously Elon's, the original Doge, Kabosu token. That's the name of the original Doge there. There's Cheems. They're all named after these famous dogs. So their Twitter, which I'm going to put up on the screen right here, has all the links. So it has a link to that at Luigi Demio's Twitter. You can see that right there at the top. It has a link to Avax if you just want to check out what Avalanche is. Has a link to their Telegram, which is at Kimbo Avax, and their webpage, kimboavax.com. So there's all the links basically right there. If you want to find COQ's Twitter, I named it earlier also. And their Telegram here, so Kimbo's Telegram, at Kimbo Avax, has 1,576 members, 330 of them online. So it's got a pretty big community so far. Their Twitter has 5,208. Now, if you look at their pinned tweet here on Kimbo Avax's Twitter, you'll find a link to buy this off of Trader Joe. So if you haven't used Trader Joe before, that is the same as PancakeSwap for BNB or Uniswap for Ethereum. It's a decentralized exchange. So basically how you would use Trader Joe if you want to do that, all you would have to do is fund your Trust wallet, your MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet, whatever wallet you use with Avax. Go into the dApps, find Trader Joe's, and then you would trade your Avax for the Kimbo token using the contract address that you can find actually in their pinned tweet on here, or you can find it on their webpage, kimboavax.com, or their snow trace. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. I don't know if there's taxes. I don't think it says anything about that, so I don't know if you have to set slippage or anything like that. And yeah, and that is basically it. So that's how you would get the token two different ways, off Trader Joe's or off Lbank. Now, it goes through the whole thing in their pinned tweet here. It says, liquidity is burned, contract renounced, Avax chain, ticker symbol Kimbo, contract address. You can buy off Trader Joe's. They have the Telegram. The best friend is COQ, and website kimboavax.com. So they're also getting a brand new central exchange listing today. It was just announced too. I didn't see this earlier, on Bitrue. So you can get this token today off Bitrue, December 21st, 13 hours UTC time. And same thing as Lbank. I actually do have a Bitrue referral code down there in the comment section, or sorry, down there in the description box. So you can just go right through that referral code for Bitrue if you don't have an account down there, and get it before it gets listed on Lbank tomorrow. So that's one day prior. So yeah, check out Bitrue down there. Then tomorrow it'll be on Lbank. Oh, and then Coinex Global today as well, December 21st, 8 o'clock. It's getting tons of listings, so this token might be very popular because it's getting so many central exchange listings today. Now, keep in mind, this is very much just a meme coin. So it says, Kimbo has now adopted 6,000 people. Not long ago, Kimbo was at 3,000 in followers and holders. Now the holders surpass the followers. Next goal, 7,000 holders. So it says they reached 6,000 holders. I don't know what's up with their snow trace. It says 0 for some reason. But it looks like they're at 6,000 holders already, according to their Twitter. So that's strange here. But yeah, let's check out the webpage here. So they do have a deck screener link on their webpage. And they also have a CoinGecko listing. So it looks like they're available on CoinGecko, so you could check them out there. Now, COQ is on here trending number 1, and Kimbo is trending number 2. So yeah, they're doing very well. Looks like there is a lot of buys and transactions going on right now. So yeah, their snow trace is just lagging most likely. So this is a meme coin in honor of Luigi Denorio Demio from Ava Labs, his dog, crafted by respected communities figures. It stands as a top meme coin on Avax. The leaders refrained from any distribution, dedicating 80 Avax to kickstart liquidity. The contract was renounced, and the liquidity was permanently burned. So that's what it says on Deck Screener there. Now, it's actually down 25.7% today. Let's check out their Ava scan here. So maybe that'll be better than the snow trace here. Yeah, no, I don't know. I can't find anywhere that actually has legit holders and telling me how much here. 18 decimal places, market cap. Nope. Yeah, it says their market cap right now is $15 million. $15,133,000. So they're doing pretty well. And let's see here. They're yeah, on CoinGecko, you could find the contract address. You could find their webpage, all the links there. Their chart isn't doing that well today, so I don't know what's up with that. And yeah, it got all these brand new listings today, so maybe it'll make it do better. But not much info on their actual webpage. It is very much just a meme coin. It says Kimbo is a meme coin with no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. There's no formal team or roadmap. This coin is completely useless and for entertainment purposes only. So keep that in mind. But go check out KimboAvax.com. All the links are on this Twitter here. They have a Discord group you could join on their webpage as well. But yeah, 3 brand new listings just announced today. One of them on Coinex Global, one of them on Bitrue. So check out Coinex Global and Bitrue in the description box down there. I have referral codes for either one of those exchanges, so check those out, Coinex Global and Bitrue. And then tomorrow is Lbank. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about Kimbo? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And yeah, then thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.